up, everybody? So I'm riding around in the truck right now, and as you can hear, the chime sound is gone, and in a moment I'll show you why. But right now, this light showed up. The funny thing is, the odometer light comes on when it wants to. But now this lamp out light is on for the first time since I've owned this truck, about 2 months, 2.5 months. So that's a mystery to me, but the chime is gone. I tracked it down by looking at some videos here on YouTube. But yeah, so the chime is gone, and you still see the check engine light and the lamp out light now, and the odometer light is on now, showing the mileage of the truck. But all right, so far this is what I got. And I'll show you, like I said, why the chime is gone in just a moment. But I went ahead and put my stereo in that I had before, the one I was installing on the last video. So this is my stereo I had from Midnight, the truck I had, the 2000 Dodge Ram I had before. So I went ahead and reinstalled it because I was having issues with the sound not playing back with the the stereo I'm putting in now, the double din. So let me catch back up with you in just a moment when I get off the road, and I'll show you why the chime is gone and why this stereo is back in the truck. All right, got back. Check this out. The odometer just went out again. Lo and behold, I just got back into the truck from driving to a store here, and yeah, there it is. The odometer is not working. So it's funny how the circuits work on some vehicles, and some some of these vehicles like Dodge. But to explain more about this stereo, the double din that I was installing is in the back seat here, but it actually lost sound somehow. It never had sound with me, but I'm sure it has sound before it got to me. Not sure what happened, but there's no sound playing from the stereo that I was installing in the last video. So the chime was a big deal, along with the stereo that I was installing, the sound issue. But here I am today with an update. This is 5 to 6 days later, a whole week later, and I've been busy. I've been working, so just wanted to come back and explain why I've been away and what I've been doing. So this stereo here is working the way it should. So I reinstalled it without the AC controls. I know you're going to ask about that. So the AC controls are not in this dash kit because I'm still working on the other stereo, the double din. So once I get the double din all in place, what I need, I may even tweak this dash kit or this bezel and add that dash kit to it. But until then, let me park this truck once again and explain why the chime is not in the truck anymore. So, yep, let me park the truck, and I'll talk to you about that in just a moment. All right, hang tight. All right, so I'm finally parked, and don't mind the mess in here. It's been a work in progress. I've been working on this truck for a while now, and this is stuff just stored over in the passenger side floor board there. Oh, check out the seat covers. Very cheap, but then I have this little addition to the seat covers from my wife. She does embroidery, so yep, that's a little embroidery that's been done. It's not perfect, but I love it. Well, it's perfect to me. I'll say it that way. It's perfect to me. Hopefully you like it. But it's on the headrest of the seat covers I have. And oh, I'm gonna get back to the video here. This is the reason why the chime works the way it works. This is made into the circuit board of the whole dash area here. It's actually made in the back of this part of the dash. So when I took all this out, and this part was actually in my hand, I was able to remove the back side. You'll see in some other YouTube videos. This part is on the motherboard, the circuit board for the whole area here that runs all the odometer and all your gauges. So the whole gauge dash there, I'm not saying it right, I know. That's where this comes from. Once I removed this from the motherboard, the chime stopped because it's showing that there was a lamp out. So it's the lamp out signal that was flat, making this sound, like with this part here. So when I removed this part, well, before I removed this part, I saw the wire was cut from under, starting from under my dash, which was right under here. When I took this part off, this whole cover that covered some wires under there, a wire was cut. I traced the wire back under the hood of the truck. And that wire was the reason why this sensor was making the chime sound off. That was the wire that led to my underhood light. So long story short, my underhood light was cut and removed before I bought the truck, and causing this sensor to make the chime just intermittent, which means it was just going on and on and on as I was driving, and as I parked. No matter what I did with the truck, while the truck was on, the chime was on. So that's long story short with this. This is a very short video, and that's all I wanted to say about that. And actually, that's all I have right now until I get back on, doing the installment for this stereo double din. I actually have the double din dash kit put together, which I'm grabbing right now. This is the double din setup. So I had to use what I had from the original dash kit, which was the one I tossed. This is the new double din dash kit, and the original bezel that you see the screw hole in. I went behind it and just repaired the parts that I could with some hot glue, with the hot glue gun, and put it all back together the way I needed to make it more steady. So it may not be a pretty job, but everything's together. It's tight as it needs to be. So yeah, once I get that stereo put back together, that will be that. But as of now, this is the end of the video, and I'll update you on when I'm able to reinstall the double din stereo. But until now, this is what I have. So if you like this video, I know it's everywhere, and I'm not focusing on one certain point, and I know my truck is dirty, so that's another thing. But the focus is on the updates. That's what this video is all about, just the updates. And I'll catch back up with you once the stereo is figured out, the double din stereo, the sound issue. And go ahead and like this video, give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and follow the channel so we can stay up to date on what's going on. So if you like this video, like I said, I'll come back with another. Peace.